My head, bro. Alright guys, today we're gonna go steal an Integra. Titus, oh look at this dude.
What?
Today we're gonna be stealing an Integra and we're gonna be tuning it. We found this Integra just stranded in the middle of like nowhere, and we're gonna go get it. We're gonna bring it back here and we're gonna tune it with an ECU that we got and see what it does and everything. I'm outside with Wyatt and Titus right now. We're just chilling, you know. Hi, buddy. Oh. He's crying all day to be outside. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the spot where we found the abandoned Integra.
Yeah, what is this Integra?
Oh, it's right here, it's right here. Okay, we found it, we found it. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this Integra, bro. Is it open? Oh, it's open.
No way, this is.
Is there keys in the center console or something?
I don't know. Yes, no fucking way.
Jeez, let's go.
So easy.
Or see if it starts.
Which key could it be? No way, it's this one. No. Oh, too easy.
Alright, let's take it home.
Alright, go.
I don't know what you're doing. I hear somebody. Alright, turn around. Gotta get out of here fast. Oh, we gotta go. Alright, look, he's off. We're going. Alright, guys. Got it back at the house. Looking clean. Got a free Integra.
Oh yeah, too easy. Me and Tim to go pick it up. This idiot left it in his cars. Like, what kind of idiot does that? He left his keys in his cars.
Yep. Alright, if you remember, this is Mapbot's ECU. This is the one with the HON data. And then this one is a P75 stock LS ECU. We gotta take it out, unbolt it real quick. I got this panel off. Alright guys, epic fail. The plugs are not the same, so it's not gonna go in, guys. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Guys, Brandon, what did you do, brother? This is wild. This is like, yeah. I bet Brandon knows what every wire is. Look, here it even has a plug on it. What kind of old ECU? Okay, let me not mess with it anymore. Oh, look at this EG, guys. Turbo bseries.
Dusty, but I'm about to switch it back to 91 because it's on 85.
Oh,
Because if you
okay.
can see over there, and it's body work. So.
Oh, okay. Dang, you can just push it. Dang, you just got head sitting too. That's crazy.
Yeah, you can see the body work over here. I gotta do.
Oh, okay.
So rusted, you know how it is. On the EGs, on the EKs, on the Hondas.
Yep.
At least this side is good though.
Yep. At least one side's good.
At least
What you want for it?
GSRs, built bicycles, Eagle rods on bottom,
Dang.
bicycle up top, all super tech of the valve trains. So what is it? Keepers, valves, and retainers are all super tech. Even the LMAs, stock diesel steel. That's all, to be honest. 13 pounds, 12, and that's all. High compression pistons. So they're like probably 13s. They're 11s. They're 11s, but yeah, that's what it is. GSR still. I'm a GSR guy because this other one has a GSR too.
Yep.
3 GSR heads, so yeah.
Oh yeah. Super clean.
Dusty, that's all. This one was red originally. They've been painting every time. You probably have like 5 coats of paint. It was red, and it was green, purple, and then I primer black, and then I already painted rattle can blue. I was like, you know, it's time for it to do a legit paint, man, because it probably won't be ready till probably December. But I'm
December.
Yeah, I won't be probably driving it anymore till probably next year, next spring, because I'm gonna take my time on it. Yeah. I need
Yeah.
to body work. I need to sand everything down. It's gonna be like dark purple,
Oh,
like
dark
from the Honda Fit. Yeah. Just look up blackberry something purple. It's nice. I'm gonna just go purple. I always like purple.
Turbo GSR. Thing sounds crazy. This is the setup I would want. Oh, jumper? How much do you think it's making horsepower wise?
I kept up with a bed, Grand Sport bed. It's not the VO6, but hoping probably 350,
350?
400.
400?
I'm pretty sure it's 350. I kept up with his cat. I'm pretty sure it's 300 something.
Oh, yeah. Alright, just got home, guys. Feel something like this. Something like this, right? Hopefully it looks nice. I don't know how to do it, guys. I'm gonna look it up on YouTube Oh shit, you scared me.
Those are the two Teggies.
Huh? Oh, that's Dom. I mean, that's Toby's.
Oh yeah, Toby's Teggy.
I was gonna tune it, but the guy didn't find the part for me.
Oh yeah, Dom Teggy.
I've always had Dom Teggy. Alright, this is how it looks. I gotta find another bowl. It's super unflushed, bro. Oh, that looks not bad. A little off. But I mean, hey, wing. Wing's a wing. Alright, that's how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. Needs to be a little flush. Fixed up. Don't look too bad. That's how it looks. Car definitely needs to be on coils, right, Nikolai?
Yep, you need to be on coil because it's a bit too high.
Yeah.
You lower it down a little bit more.
When you're gone, what if I took your coils?
Ooh, that'd be scary.
This side is a little more gap. Maybe I should put a bolt on the other one, you know? We can go down more. Let me put a bolt on the other one. Alright guys, there was a wire on top of the thing, so it wasn't even, but look, it looked the same. It looked the same. Look, this side's even higher now. Why is this side high? Hold on. Oh, maybe the lip is just messed up. Hey, it don't look that bad, right, Nikolai?
Yeah, it looked pretty darn good.
Let's
You need a
check.
paint job and ooh, look clean.
Yep. There goes Nikolai's turbo DK right there.
See, I wish.
Alright, I put the side skirts on. Velo last time said he couldn't get it on, but look, I got it on. It's pretty nice. Wide view right here. Side skirts on. I think this is the better looking side, honestly. That's how it looks. Looks way better. Hurry up. Alright, we got the cars back in their original spots. We did what we needed to do with the side skirts. So the new wing is on. Side skirts are on. Just kidding. Val and them were right. We tried putting them on, but it started raining and they weren't going on correctly, so we just didn't finish it, so gonna send nigga lie home.